Hello, good morning, students. So, in today's lecture, we will continue the topic sequences and series. So, in previous lecture, we have done the topic sequence and series. The what is the meaning of sequence and series? Now, in this chapter, we are going to start the topic arithmetic progression. As you have done in 10th class, this topic you have done in 10th class. So, it is very easy to understand. So the topic arithmetic progression. So as you know, what is the meaning of arithmetic progression? So any sequence a1, a2, a3 and so on, an is called arithmetic progression, is called an AP if a2 minus a1 is equal to a3 minus a2 is equal to a4 minus a3 is equal to so on an minus 1, and that is equal to d itself. So where a1 is the first term and d is the common difference. D is the common difference, as you have studied in your previous class, right? So the AP and its general term. What is this an? An is called its general term. An is called general term, or you can say nth term. Nth term means that is called general term, and as you know, its formula is a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula of a general term in AP, right? So there are some properties of AP. Your first property is if a constant is added to each term of AP, the resulting sequence is also an AP. देखिए जे ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ AP ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹਰੇਕ ਟਰਮ ਨੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਕਾਂਸਟੈਂਟ ਟਰਮ ਐਡ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਜਾਏ, ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਕਾਂਸਟੈਂਟ ਨੰਬਰ ਐਡ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਜਾਵੇ ਤਾਂ ਉਹ ਸੀਕੁਐਂਸ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆ ਉਹ AP ਚ ਹੀ ਰਹੂਗੀ, ਉਹਦੇ ਚ ਕੋਈ ਫਰਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਏਗਾ। ਸੈਕੰਡ ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰਟੀ ਇਜ਼ ਇਫ ਅ ਕਾਂਸਟੈਂਟ ਇਜ਼ ਸਬਟ੍ਰੈਕਟਡ ਫਰੋਮ ਐਨ AP the resulting sequence is also in AP. ਜੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਬਟ੍ਰੈਕਟ ਕਰ ਦਈਏ ਕੋਈ ਕਾਂਸਟੈਂਟ ਟਰਮ, so the resulting sequence is in AP, right? Next is if each term of AP is multiplied by a constant term, यानी कि जे ਆਪਾਂ ਹਰੇਕ ਟਰਮ ਨੂੰ ਕਾਂਸਟੈਂਟ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਮਲਟੀਪਲਾਈ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਜਾਵੇ ਤੇ the sequence, the resulting sequence is also an AP, right? And the last one is if we divide a constant, non-zero constant, divide each term by non-zero constant, the resulting sequence is also in AP, right? So these are the properties of AP बच्चे. Now as you know, this an is also known as last term, that is represented by L. L stands for last term, right? L stands for last term. A is the first term where A is called first term. पता होना चाहिए। N is the number of terms, total number of terms होंदियां N, and D is the common difference. D is called common difference. So this is the all about this topic arithmetic progression. ठीक है जी. So as you know, AP ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਰਿਪਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਧਿਆਨ ਨਾਲ ਦੇਖਿਓ ਇਹ 'ਚ ਫਸਟ ਟਰਮ A ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ ਸੈਕੰਡ ਟਰਮ ਹੋਏਗੀ A plus D third term is A plus 2D and so on and its nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D. These are the, this is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term and so on. This is called nth term of this AP beta. So this sequence is called an AP. It is very easy to understand what is the meaning of AP and whenever you find you should know the formula of SN. SN means the sum of n terms. As you know its general term formula is A plus n minus 1 into D, right? This is the general term formula and the formula of the sum of n terms of an AP, it is n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula, you have to remember it, for this is the sum of n terms of an AP. Or you can write the formula, एक और formula तुसी note कीता होना, its formula Sn is equal to n by 2 A plus L, first term plus last term. So this is also, you can write the formula also, Sn is equal to n by 2 A plus L, right? Now let us do some examples here. So the example number 4, I am doing the example number 4 which you have done in your 10th previous class. So this topic is very easy to understand. So let us do the example number 4. The example number 4 is, in an AP, if mth term is m, mth term is n and nth term is n or nth term हैगी m, right? Then where m is not equal to n, find the pth term. pth term आप find करनी है, pth term आप find करनी है, ठीक है जी? So as you know, let small a be the first term and small d be the common difference. So according to the question, it becomes a plus m minus 1 into d is equal to m and a plus n minus 1 into d, it is equal to n, right? So this is the equation number 1 and this is the equation number 2. So beta ji, when we subtract these two, first minus second, it gives what will we give? This a and a cancel हो जाएगा बच्चे. So on subtracting we will get n minus n into d, it is equal to n minus m. So when we simplify this, this becomes d is equal to n minus m over m minus n. So on simplifying we will get this value of d is minus 1. Now put this value of d is equal to minus 1 in this equation number 1, we will get a plus m minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to n. So when we simplify this, this becomes a is equal to, you will get the value of a, that is n plus m minus 1. So this is the value of a beta. So you will get this values of a and d, sorry. So when you get this value of a and d, then now you can find the value of AP, that is the pth term. Pth term is a plus p minus 1 into d beta. So when you put this value of a and d here, the value of a is n plus m minus 1 plus p minus 1 into minus 1, right? So when you simplify this with a, you will get this value n plus m minus 1 te plus 1 katte jauga, that is the right answer. So the pth term of this sequence AP, it is n plus m minus p. That is the right answer bache for this example number 4. Now Let us take the example number 5 here. Example number 5 is, as you see in your book, the example number 5, if the sum of n terms of AP is, example number 5, if the sum of n terms of AP that is equal to np plus half n into n minus 1 into q. So this is the question. In this question the sum of n terms is given of an AP where p and q are constants. So find the common difference. You have to find the common difference for this question. Okay ji? So firstly, when we put n is equal to 1 here, we will get S1. S1 is equal to P. S1 is equal to P. Because when we put n is equal to 1, we will get P plus half 1 into 1 minus 1 into Q. So, आता 0 बन चुका तो ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ S1 ਦੀ value P आ जाएगी. तो बेटा as you know S1 is always equal to A1 first term. ठीक है जी? S1 ਦੀ value ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ? A1 ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ. Because first term and S1 they are same thing, so that's why the value of A1 is P. So when we put n is equal to 2 beta, you will get S2. S2 is मतलब A1 ਦੀ value P ਆ ਗਈ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ? ਹੁਣ 2 ਪਰ ਇੱਥੇ value ਪਾਣੀ 2. So when we put n is equal to 2 here, we will get 2P plus half into 2 into 2 minus 1 into Q. So when we simplify this beta ji, you will get this 2P plus Q. So as you know, the value of S2 means the sum of first two terms. So beta ji, sum of first two terms means A1 plus A2 is equal to 2P plus Q. So this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2, right? So when we subtract these two equations, second minus first karange, then we will get A2. It's when we do this second minus first, we have the value A2 is equal to A2 ਦੀ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਆ ਜੂਗੀ ਬੱਚੇ? A2 ਦੀ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਆ ਜੂਗੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ P plus Q. 2P plus Q minus P, that is equal to P plus Q. So you will get the value of A1 and this A2. So we can find this common difference between common difference is equal to common difference, that is D, that is equal to A2 minus A1. So when we subtract it, its common difference is Q beta. So the value of D is Q, right? So this is your right answer for this question, example number 5 beta. Now let us take this example number 6. Example number 6 is, sixth example है ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ, the sum of n terms of two APs are in the ratio sum of n terms of two APs. हाँ जी बच्चे, ਤਾਂ ਬੱਚੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਰੇਸ਼ੋ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਹੈ, ਜਿਵੇਂ Sn over Sn dash ਲਿਖ ਲੈਣੇ ਆ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ? Sn over Sn dash. So this is the question that the sum of two APs, sum of n terms of two APs are in the ratio 3n plus 8, 3n plus 8 over, this is 7n plus 15, 7n plus 15. Okay ji? And the question is find the ratio of their 12th terms. Means you have to find 12th term, ratio of 12th term means A12 over A12 dash. You have to find this. So beta ji, as you see in the question, there are two APs. So let A1 is the first term and D1 is the common difference of first AP, and A2 is the first term and D2 is the common difference of second AP. So as you know the formula of Sn for first AP, that is n by 2 into 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d1, right, over n by 2 2a2 plus n minus 1 into d2. So beta ji, this is the formula which we know the formula of this sum of n terms of two APs. एक AP ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ ਜਿਹਦੀ ਫਸਟ ਟਰਮ A1 ਹੈ, ਸੈਕੰਡ ਕਾਮਨ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਸ D1 ਹੈ, ਤੇ ਦੂਜੀ AP ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ A2 ਫਸਟ ਟਰਮ ਹੈ ਤੇ D2 ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਉਹ ਕਾਮਨ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਸ ਹੈ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਬੱਚੇ, n/2 ਕੱਟਿਆ ਗਿਆ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇੱਥੇ ਸਾਫ਼ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ, ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ, ਉੱਪਰੋਂ 2 ਕਾਮਨ ਲੈ ਲੈਣਾ ਹੈ। ਦੇਖੋ ਧਿਆਨ ਨਾਲ, ਉੱਪਰੋਂ ਵੀ 2 ਕਾਮਨ ਲੈ ਲਿਆ ਤਾਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਬਣ ਗਿਆ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ A1 plus n minus 1 over 2 into d1। ਧਿਆਨ ਨਾਲ ਦੇਖੋ ਬੇਟਾ, और नीचे भी ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਬਣ ਗਿਆ 2 ਕਾਮਨ ਆ ਕੇ a2 plus n minus 1 over 2 into d2। so we have this 2 is cancelled out, so we will get this value. This is the equation, a1 plus n minus 1 over 2 into d1 upon a2 plus n minus 1 over 2 into d2 is equal to 3n plus 8 over 7n plus 15. You have to find it. Now note this point. You have to find this a12 over a12 dash. a12 over a12 dash means you have to find here a1 plus 11 d1 over a2 plus 11 d2 means you have to find this value. As you see, you have to find a1 plus 11 d1 and a2 plus 11 d2. So you have to find this value. So compare karo bache ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ, on comparing this and this it should be ਇੱਥੇ ਕੀ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ n-1/2 ਦੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੇ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਪੁੱਟ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, on comparing put n-1 over 2 is equal to 11 bache. So from this we will get this value of n is equal to 23. So n ਦੀ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਬੱਚੇ 23 ਆਪਾਂ ਪੁੱਟ ਕਰੀਏ ਜੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਇੱਥੇ 12th ਟਰਮ ਆ ਜਾਊਗੀ, ਇੱਥੇ ਇੱਕ ਫਸਟ ਸੀਕੁਐਂਸ ਦੀ, ਇੱਥੇ ਸੈਕੰਡ ਸੀਕੁਐਂਸ ਦੀ 12th ਟਰਮ ਆ ਜਾਊਗੀ। So put n is equal to 23 in this equation number 1. So from 1 we will get, equation number 1 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਭਰ ਦੋ ਤੇ ਆ ਜਾਊਗਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ a1 plus 23 ਭਰਿਆ ਤਾਂ ਬੱਚੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਆ ਗਿਆ 11 d1 over a2 plus 11 d2। ਤੁਸੀਂ 23 ਇੱਥੇ ਭਰੋਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਆ ਜਾਊਗਾ ਬੱਚੇ ਇੱਥੇ 23 into 3 that is 69 plus 8 over this is 23 into 7 ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਥੇ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ, ਤੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ ਸਿੰਪਲੀਫਾਈ ਕਰਕੇ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਆ ਜਾਊਗਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। ਹਾਂਜੀ, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਇੱਥੇ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਆ ਜਾਊਗੀ, ਹਾਂਜੀ as you see its value is 23 into 7 ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਨਾ, 23 into 7 3 ਦਾ 21 2 7 14 plus 2 that is 16 plus 15। ठीक है जी, so when we simplify this बच्चे we will get this 77 over 176। so ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ simplify ਕੀਤਾ so your answer will be 7/16। okay ji, so this is your right answer, that is a12 over a12 dash, that is equal to 7/16। that is the right answer for this example number 6। yes students, so now we are starting with the next question, example number 7। so example number 7, I am reading this example. The income of a person is 3 lakh in first year and he receives an increase of 10,000 to his income per year for the next 19 years। Okay, find the total amount he received in 20 years. Okay, means total amount means you have to find SN. ठीक है जी. So as you see its first term is 3 lakh. As you see its first term is 3 lakh and the common difference is as you see its common difference is हाँ जी ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ common difference ਆ ਜਾਊਗਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਕਿੰਨਾ 10,000 means D ਦੀ value ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ 10,000 right. Now you have to find the total amount he received in 20 years means ਇੱਥੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ n ਦੀ value 20 ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗੀ means you have to find SN. SN ਇੱਥੇ find ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ as you know SN ਦਾ formula ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So when we put this value this S20 is equal to n means 20 by 2 ठीक है जी into 2 into a बन जाएगा ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ 6 lakh and plus n minus 1 into d means 90 into 10,000. So when we simplify this beta we will get the answer. Your answer will be ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ answer ਆ ਜਾਊਗਾ 79 lakh 79 lakh right. So this is your right answer मतलब 79 lakh ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਉਹਦੇ ਕੋਲ after in 20 years he received the amount 79 lakh. Okay ji. If he has 3 lakh in first year right. So this was the example number 7. Now beta next topic is arithmetic mean. So arithmetic mean ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨੋਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੁਣ ਅਗਲਾ ਟੌਪਿਕ ਹੈਗਾ arithmetic mean ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ. arithmetic mean ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਬੱਚੇ it is denoted by am. ਧਿਆਨ ਨਾਲ ਦੇਖਣਾ ਬੱਚੇ ਦਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖੋ ਕਿ when we interpret the arithmetic mean between two numbers a and b means that is we have to interpret the average value of a and b. So arithmetic mean between two numbers between a and b that is the average means a plus b by 2. So always remember this formula. This is the formula to find the arithmetic mean between a and b. ਹੁਣ ਦੇਖੋ ਬੱਚੇ arithmetic mean ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ to ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ let a and b are two numbers. If you have to insert any number between a and b so that the resulting sequence is an AP, that is called that inserted number is called arithmetic mean. ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ for example question is find arithmetic mean between 2 and 8 right. Arithmetic mean between 2 and 8. So its answer is arithmetic mean between 2 and 8 that is 2 plus 8 by 2 that is equal to 5. So when the resulting sequence means ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ 5 insert ਕਰਤਾ ਤਾਂ resulting sequence is an AP. It means ऐसा number between two numbers ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ insert ਕਰੀਏ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜੀ sequence ਹੈ that is becomes AP, that is in AP. So that is called arithmetic mean right. So this is the arithmetic mean of two numbers. So whenever you want to find the arithmetic mean ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ arithmetic mean between two numbers ਅਸੀਂ find ਕਰਨੇ ਆ insert ਕਰਨੇ ਆ ਦਾ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਇੱਥੇ a ਹੈਗਾ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਇੱਥੇ b ਹੈਗਾ. You have this a is the first term and b is the last term. You have to insert arithmetic means between these two A and B1. So let A1 is the first arithmetic mean, A2 is the second arithmetic mean, A3 and so on. This is AN. N arithmetic mean ਆਪਾਂ insert ਕਰਨੇ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ਧਿਆਨ ਨਾਲ ਦੇਖਿਓ ਬੱਚੇ, ਜਦੋਂ ਇੱਕ arithmetic mean insert ਕਰਨਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਤਾਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਜਦੋਂ ਇੱਕ arithmetic mean insert ਕਰਨਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਤਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਿੱਧਾ ਐਵਰੇਜ ਲੈਣੀ ਆ। ਜਦੋਂ ਦੋ arithmetic mean insert ਕਰਨੇ ਜਾਂ ਦੋ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਧ insert ਕਰਨੇ ਆ means whenever you find the two or more arithmetic means between two numbers, so the procedure is like this. As you see, its first term is A. First term A है बेटा जी। लास्ट टर्म ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਇੱਥੇ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ B, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ। सो नंबर ऑफ टोटल नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स कितनियां ने? नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स इज इक्वल टू n प्लस 2। n ਤਾਂ अर्थमैटिक मीन हैगे, दो ए ऐड हो गए तो कितनियां नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स हो गई ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ? n प्लस 2 इज द नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स, राइट। So as you see the last term the formula ਹੁੰਦਾ ਬੱਚੇ a plus n minus 1 into d। last term ਦਾ formula means last term ਹੈਗੀ b। a ਦੀ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਤਾਂ a ਹੀ ਹੈ ਇੱਥੇ, n ਦੀ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ n plus 2 ਹੈਗੀ ਆ, n plus 2 minus 1 and d is equal to b, right। so when you find this value of d, ਇੱਥੋਂ d ਕੱਢ ਲਓ ਬੱਚੇ, d ਦੀ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਆ ਜਾਊਗੀ b minus a over n plus 1। so this is the value of d। now put this value of d, ਇਹ डिफरेंस आ गया ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। डिफरेंस आ गया, ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ फाइंड करना एक एक करके सारे अर्थमेटिक मीन फाइंड करने। फर्स्टली आई एम फाइंडिंग दिस a1। a1 is the first arithmetic mean। so beta as you see this sequence, a1 is the second term and second term the formula on the a plus d as you see। so whenever you find a1 you will get the a plus d। a plus d means a plus b minus a over n plus 1, ठीक है जी। similarly what is the value of a2? a2 is the third term। as you see in this sequence a2 is the third term beta, and third term the formula on the a plus 2d। now you can put the values here, a plus 2 into b minus a over b minus a over n plus 1। so this is the value of a2 and so on। you can find the any value, you can find an। as you see an is which term? an ਕਿਹੜੀ term ਹੈਗੀ ਆ? ਇਹ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ a n plus 1 term, ठीक है। so you can write here a plus an means n plus 1th term, so its formula is a plus nd। so you can write here n into b minus a by n plus 1। so this is all about the AMs between arithmetic means between two numbers, how to insert the arithmetic means between two numbers। so let us take one example here, example number 8। I am taking the example number 8 here। the question is insert, question ਹੈਗਾ ਬੱਚੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ, ਇਸ question ਨੂੰ solve ਕਰਕੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਮਝ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਕਿ how to find the arithmetic means between two numbers। so the example number 8 is insert 6 AMs। example number 6 example number 8 question है कि insert 6 numbers between 3 and 24 so that the resulting sequence is an AP, means you have to find AMs। 3 and 24 ਦੇ between ਅਸੀਂ insert ਕਰਨੇ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਨੰਬਰ? 6 ਨੰਬਰ। ਸੋ ਬੇਟਾ ਜੀ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਨੰਬਰ ਤੇ 3 ਹੈਗਾ, ਲਾਸਟ ਨੰਬਰ ਤੇ 24 ਹੈਗਾ, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ between ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਨੰਬਰ insert ਕਰਨੇ ਆ? we have to insert 6 AMs। so you can insert the 6 AM, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 and A6। so these are the three numbers which we have to insert। in between 3 and 24, so that the resulting sequence is an AP. So as you see, its first term is a 3 beta and its last term is a 24 beta and its number of terms is equal to 6. The arithmetic mean है 2 और add हो गए, 6 plus 2 that is 8 numbers are there in this sequence. So the value of n is equal to 8. So as you know, the formula of L is a plus n minus 1 into d. So the value of L is 24 here, we can put here. This is 3 and n is 8, 8 minus 1 that is 7d. So whenever you find the value of d, d is equal to, हाँ जी, d की value बचे 3 आ जाएगी. When you simplify this, 7d is equal to 21 and d is equal to 3. d की value 3 आ गई है बच्चे ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ. Now you can find every arithmetic mean. पहला ਅਸੀਂ a1 फाइंड करते हैं. a1 ਦਾ ਫਾਰਮੂਲਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ, a plus d ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ. a plus d ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ, it means its answer will be कितना आ जाएगा बच्चे? its answer 3 plus 3 that is equal to 6. 6 is the first arithmetic mean. Similarly, what is the value of a2? a2 is a plus 2d beta. a plus 2d means बच्चे 3 plus 2 into 3 that is equal to 9 बच्चे. Similarly, a3 a plus 3d and that is 3 plus 3 into 3 that is 12. Similarly, a4 is equal to a plus 4d. This is 3 plus 4 into 3 that is equal to 15. Similarly, you can find the value a5 that is a plus 5d that is equal to 3 plus 5 into 3 that is equal to 18. And the last is a6 that is a plus 6d. You can find this 3 plus 6 into 3 that is equal to 21. Right? So these are the 6 AMs between 3 and 24. बच्चे 3 and 24 ਦੇ between ਅਸੀਂ 6 AMs insert ਕੀਤੇ ਆ ਇਸ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ. ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਲੈਣਾ ਕਿ ਫਸਟ ਟਰਮ 3 ਹੈਗੀ ਆ, ਲਾਸਟ ਟਰਮ 24 ਹੈ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ. ਔਰ ਟੋਟਲ ਨੰਬਰ ਆਫ ਟਰਮਸ 6 plus 2 that is 8 ਨੇ. ਰਾਈਟ? ਫਿਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਫਾਰਮੂਲਾ ਲਾਇਆ, ਫਾਰਮੂਲਾ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਵੈਲਿਊਜ਼ ਫਿਲ ਕਰਕੇ d ਦੀ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਫਾਈਂਡ ਕੀਤੀ. d ਦੀ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲ ਗਈ ਤਾਂ ਯੂ ਕੈਨ ਫਾਈਂਡ ਆਲ ਦ AMs between 3 and 24. So beta, this is all about these examples of this topic, arithmetic progression. So in next lecture we will do the exercise 9.2.